Job fairs and career events are great places to network and learn about new job opportunities. Job fairs offer a unique opportunity to meet face-to-face with employers who are actively hiring. This is your chance to make a great first impression and get your foot in the door with companies you're interested in. At a job fair, you'll have the chance to network, learn about open positions, and speak with recruiters. Be sure to dress professionally and bring copies of your resume. This is a chance to sell yourself and stand out from the crowd. Attending career events is a great way to learn about different industries and job functions. You can explore different career options and find out what you're interested in. At these events, you'll have the opportunity to meet with employers, learn about their company culture, and find out what they're looking for in employees. You'll also have the chance to network with other professionals and get your foot in the door for your dream career. So, if you're looking for new job opportunities, be sure to attend job fairs and career events. You never know what you might find. The next video is right here. The entire job search strategy series is up here, and if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel so you get an alert every time I drop a new video about improving the results of your job search. This is Eileen Ryan from Pounding Pavement 101.